Okay, so I was editing the startup video, and we had
Guys,
it was just
shit.
it was just a bunch of really raw clips because we were so excited of just getting the car started.
Yeah, then our crazy ass grandma like screamed in the middle of the first startup like, yeah!
Yeah, so we have that, and so we're just gonna throw all these clips together and show you it starting.
Sorry, not a great video,
but
next one will be better for sure though.
Yeah, next one's first ride, and so
yeah, thanks for watching.
Alrighty, what is up, guys? So we're back. Got the motor in the car. You guys see, you might have saw that in the last video. I'm just gonna make a quick junkyard run. Got to get a fuel clip for this fuel line. I broke it coming out, so got to get a fuel clip. I accidentally ripped off a wire right here, taking it out too, so we got to get that wire for the clip for the pigtail harness. And then on the alternator, I forgot to disconnect it, and when I pulled it out, pulled those two wires out. So I got to get an alternator clip, that thing, and a fuel clip. And then as soon as I do that, this thing's about ready to be thrown together.
Okay, so we gotta make a quick run in the junkyard.
Then I gotta figure out a couple lines up front.
And we'll be right back.
Yep. Okay, so been wrenching all day, all week. Finally got this thing almost done. It's all wrapped up, got everything plugged in, I hope. Everything looks good, checked everything. Gotta fill it up with oil, put the air oil separator lines on, put the battery in, and then we're gonna see if this thing's motor's blown or not.
See if we got a good one.
Yeah, after all this, so, well, you won't hear from me if it's a bad one. But
so if you're watching this, yeah. So let's get her started and get her first crank.
Get her filled up and then get her cranking over. We had these gas lines sitting out, so we're gonna prime them a couple times and then fire it over, see how the hell this thing, see if it works. I hope to God it does.
I can't believe it's happening right now.
Holy shit. Okay,
blinkers. Yeah, hazards on.
I'm gonna go turn off the hazards.
Okay, you want me to hold? I'm gonna set this up right here. Hopefully you can see me. I can't. I don't know.
Okay, you need to hold the truck over the fuel lines. And watch. Try to watch which one squirts. So just hold them right here at my angle. Just hold them like that.
Okay. You want me to do it? You're not gonna start. I'll let you start it.
I want to see the gauges. I'm sorry, man. You want to?
Yeah, I don't care. I get to start it if you do this. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Just start it. Oh, geez, stop.
All that working out bad. Piece of shit.
Bad ground, right, with the starter?
Yeah.
So that's why I was
screwed up. My bad.
That's why I wasn't clicking. But there's some coolant leak. We'll figure it out later. But something in the middle of the engine. But we're just trying to get started. So fix this ground real quick, and then I'll try again. Yeah, we're ready. All right.
Yep.
Yeah. Take 9,000. What? Oh yeah. That'd help. Now we're ready.
All right, Colt, you good? Eric, everything's good?
Yeah. Oh shit. Is that some sensor or something, or?
What's that noise?
Is it shorting?
What's that noise back here?
Where is it? Is it O2?
Colton, tell me what that noise is.
It's like, what's that noise?
Right now?
No, not right now.
Colton, tell me what that clicking is when I'm trying to start it.
That is... Wait a sec.
What noise is this?
Sounds like something trying to ground.
Yeah.
Would it do that before
Let's
it
stop
put the
recording.
engine in?
What?
With the old engine, would it do that? Just have to do that to not start.
Ah, who sprayed me?
Sorry. This sucker's have some fucking pressure. I didn't mean
Hey, just ignore the grandma in the background with everything, alright? Good plan.
Ooh, it smells like you just sprayed
It's
gas on me.
gas. It's gas.
No, I didn't. Sorry.
Alright, try again.
Hold on. Hold
You
on.
think it just wasn't getting...
Let me set up.
I don't know. I don't know what that clicking noise is.
Should we try to fix it before you start it?
What the hell do I have to fix? I don't know what's doing it.
Ready?
Alright. Just don't want it to blow up.
That bottom vacuum cleaner. Yep.
Should we get a fire extinguisher?
Probably.
No, I'm serious.
I'm serious too.
Chase, stop. Gas, turn off.
What again?
It's fuel pressure, man.
Where from?
It popped off.
So that clip is junk?
Yeah,
Wait, which one?
top one.
Well, that was cool. That's just...
Should be good now. Alright, watch again.
Hey, do I video again?
Yeah. Hey, Grandma.
Grandma, please stop it.
What? Okay, I'm ready.
Oh.
What's that noise?
Stop.
We have a fire now?
Something's tripped it off.
Something, it sparked. Stop. It's this, I'm pretty sure.
With all this gas,
Who is a fire extinguisher?
What's doing that?
How do I move this?
This is the negative of smoking.
The negative was?
Yeah.
Something's clicking.
Oh, something is.
Check
something.
out the clicking sound.
What's he doing?
Hang on, it's smoking, dude.
I just killed all the electrical. Never mind, I had it running for a minute.
What's smoking?
Pull the electrical off.
Oh, you want
Pull the pin and push down.
Okay. Ready?
Hey, it's smoking again.
What? Something is fucking backwards.
We're good.
Ready?
Yeah. Hey, stop.
Smoking again?
Yeah, it's just, I think it's the freaking power cable.
You think the power cable wasn't good enough?
No, this shit that
No.
it was coming from this.
It's smoking from this?
That's what it looked like.
That would just take me back.
No way.
Oh, you man.
Definitely negative.
Just crank it a couple times and see if it does what it did last time.
So now you're gonna buy a negative wire?
I gotta figure out why it's heating up the negative wire so damn bad. And it's gotta be something to do with that starting bolt, so I'm gonna go mess with it. Fuck. Sorry, guys.
Video.
I don't know how to get to unlock.
You'd clicked it a bunch of times before. Yeah, I don't know.
What are you smoking? We'll rotate the motor over.
There you go. Doesn't like power not being.
Shuts off all my power. And I guarantee it's gonna start really quick as soon as I turn the motor over. Like it always does.
Think?
If it clicks again, I can
Guarantee it's.
guarantee it's not.
Yeah. Yep.
That thing's just getting stuck and not working. Piece of shit.